Hey everyone, if you're trying to update Logseq and keep getting an update failed error, the update won't download, or the installation stops before completion, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the most common Logseq update problems in 2026. You should also verify that you're using the official Logseq release channel. Unofficial builds or modified versions may experience update-related issues. If the automatic updater isn't working, try downloading the latest installer manually from the official Logseq website and install the update yourself. Another helpful step is temporarily disabling antivirus or security software. Some security tools can block update files or prevent the installer from replacing existing program files. For Windows users, try running the installer as an administrator. This can resolve permission-related issues that prevent updates from being applied. If you're using macOS, verify that Logseq has the necessary permissions and that the operating system isn't blocking the update process. And that's how to fix Logseq update failed errors in 2026. In most cases, checking your connection, ensuring enough storage space, downloading the latest installer manually, and resolving permission issues will solve the problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.